In 2024, Geographic Solutions continues to push the boundaries of what's capable with our VOS Sapphire suite with the highly anticipated launch of VOS Sapphire AI. Our integration with artificial intelligence will provide users with resume building, job order customization, interview prep, case notes, and more. Job seekers will now have the power of AI at their fingertips when customizing resumes that will use their professional profile as a foundation, but will undergo customizations to better align with the unique requirements of the targeted job order. But it doesn't stop there. Employers can utilize VOS Sapphire AI to generate interview questions that will provide employers with a tailored list of inquiry options, drawing from an applicant's profile and resume, which encompasses their work history, education, skills, and other pertinent details. Our goal here at Geographic Solutions is to make the user experience seamless and efficient from first keystroke all the way to the job placement. Get ready for VOS Sapphire AI, the more intelligent way to work.